Hi guys, do you have a cooker that when you want to turn it on, the hot water, it doesn't? And you have to try several times. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Look clean from here. And it's a kind of problem that became more obvious in the couple of weeks. Everything is fine with the line at the end when I have the cooker, and there is nothing disconnected. You can see there is no kind of failure signal on LED side. So it's it doesn't work sometimes. It's very common problem that I have searched on the internet. People are taking this apart and try to rinse it, try to fix it with opening, but they're very fine and they are done with the micro computing process. And there is actually a ring inside here. It has LEDs, and there on this side, it has a magnetic conduction system. It's closed, it doesn't contact the water or the external environment. So the trigger mechanism is made on that magnetic field. It depends on the magnetic field. It means when you turn it down, there is a magnet that turns to the other side and try to touch the two other lines that are connected with the magnet in the closed space. So imagine if the magnetic field is weak, so you lose that connection because of the weakness between these, the weakness of magnetic field there. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You can see it worked before, it doesn't. But I have a very, very good trick to that. Instead of opening, you can extend the life of this this water tap, and until you try to change it, you may have a couple of months to year working, using properly. Sometimes it's more. I found out with a good magnet, which has a very strong magnetic field. I found it from a whole old hard disk. This is a point of magnet from the whole hard disk. Look at that. Just put it there. You can see it sometimes here, but it's the magnetic field. Let itself find it out. It's probably 9 out of 10 times it works. Without that, but actually you can try this. You can extend the life of your magnet inside that, and probably it's due to the weakened magnet. I hope this video may have give you the clue what is wrong. You don't attempt to open because it doesn't work. You have to pay $500 or $1,000 sometimes, depending on the model, what kind of the cooker you have. Then it's worth just trying out. Keep following for some tips and tricks, and subscribe or send it to other people that they may need it.